In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your form guide in HubSpot, which is essentially your form ID. This is a crucial step if you plan to integrate forms or need to reference them for various tasks within HubSpot. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you can easily locate this information whenever you need it. To get started, first, head over to HubSpot. This is your central hub for all things marketing and sales within the platform. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Next, navigate to the marketing section. This is where we manage our forms and other promotional materials. Simply click on the marketing option in the main navigation menu. From there, find the forms section within marketing. This is your go-to place for managing, editing, and creating any forms that you're working with in HubSpot. Click on Forms, and you will then see a list of all the forms associated with your account or organization. The arrangement here is typically in chronological order or sorted by the most recent updates. Now, locate the specific form for which you need the GUID. Next to your form, there is an Actions button, typically situated on the right. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several useful options, but for our task today, go ahead and click on Share. You're now in the Share settings of your form. Here, you'll see an option labeled Embed Code. Click on this. It's worth noting here that the embed code is what you'll use if you need to insert this form directly into a web page or external site. It includes the form GUID, which you'll be identifying and using differently for our purpose today. Before we continue, let's ensure you have the information handy. Click on the Copy button next to the embed code. By doing this, you're saving the code to your clipboard, which makes it easier to paste wherever you need it. You might not always need to do this for finding the guide, but knowing how to is a helpful trick for times when you need to integrate forms directly into HTML. Lastly, to further extend the usability of your form, click on Share Link and then again click Copy. This gives you a direct URL to the form itself, which can be shared directly with colleagues or embedded into communications to ensure easy access. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've located and copied your form's GUID in HubSpot. Be sure to save it somewhere secure and accessible for the next time you need to reference it. With this knowledge, you can efficiently manage and integrate your HubSpot forms into your marketing workflows. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.